You don't have to.
I'll know that for you. Huh? Twirling in it, right? Silver? I gotta land it. Yeah. No, it's ground. Ground? Yeah. Lake trout. We got that one on video.
That looks like a minute.
Here's the lure.
Watermelon.
What was that one?
Watermelon.
Watermelon?
Yeah, I think it's Stinger.
Stinger?
Yeah, same brand that we. That one. Try enough there.
Don't hog it, man.
Little power nap feel good? Did you even get one?
For half a second I went out, yeah.
Yeah, we lost one on there a minute ago.
Yeah, I seen that. Cause he was hogging it.
Yeah, he was hogging it. Don't jinx this one. yeah, it's not. Well, Robbie, I don't really know which way to go here with this fish on. I think there's fish around that structure. Yeah. I would say lean to the right and circle back in it, or it's up to you, man. You're on the captain now. Now we hit 2 fish right there. It seems to be pretty good. Yeah. But I don't. Yeah, I'll go back to it. Should be wrapped on this. I'm not sure if that was not. I know one of them
You still have how many feet left? 200?
4 colors.
4 color?
Yeah, it's 5. Well, I think it's 10 yards per color. Yeah. So.
No, you got it.
Laker. Ah, just come see me. Hot on? It's like doubling.
Oh, it's right. That's a big, big Laker. Big Laker.
Foul hook or something maybe?
No, no, it's just a big Laker.
Yeah, dang it.
Let me get up in here.
Like a boat weight coming in. Yeah. Now he's in his mouth. All I see is mouth. No! Oh my goodness.
Hook fell out.
Good. That did?
Yeah.
Oh, no, yeah, it did, didn't it? Yeah, if I had let that tension off of him one time, he'd been gone.
Big boy. Man, look at the size of that thing. He's missing a fin, dude.
Yeah, they clip him. Stop it. Stop. From a long time ago.
The size of that thing.
God, he bit my coat.
Yeah. Beauty.
Hey. You guys want to keep him? No.
I don't want him.
Yeah.
You want him?
Yeah, he'll eat. Go ahead. Let's open up the thing for me.
Same thing. He said, why are you bringing all them little ones?
How big that is compared to that one. 3 of them, 4 of them.
Wow. Pretty good on that. That was a silver. That's got to be a silver. Try to keep them on. Do your thing, I'll be mine. If you want to get the net ready for me. Holy fuck. Alright, coming towards him. Alright, gotta do his thing. That's his thing. I'm gonna get this off.
Oh, he's going faster than a boat. Crap.
Here it is.
I can't bring it up yet.
You're getting too close.
I know.
There you go.
I'm just trying to get this dip here. Oh, right, let him do his thing.
Yep.
See that? How I did that?
Yep.
Alright, stay back over here.
Down.
Seems like he's got good stuff.
Oh, he's a skipper.
Okay, I need you at the wheel.
I think it's a small king.
You got the wheel. Try to move him around. There to the right a little bit. Oh, I'm talking to Eric. Try to put him down the middle too. There. There you go. Alright, bring it back out, Eric.
Over that. Turn to the right, Eric.
Right. Okay. Up.
Yeah, I'm coming. Ready?
Well, it seems like you get him over here. Yeah.
Here it comes.
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah, brother. Salmon.
King salmon?
Yeah.
No fucking way.
Told you. Dude, I told you. They're out here. 110.
That was on the watermelon one.
You got my camera on, Eric?
No.
No.
Oh, man.
It is now. Got us a king.
Woo! Here you go. It's your fish.
Fuck you.
Got it, so hold them up.
First one of the year. Fuck, man.
Man, those little flights he was taking
Yeah,
out,
that was
leaps.
cool. Nice king.
Nice, King. Yeah.
Oh yeah. I got the boat.
I don't know what it is.
Big old Laker.
Big old Laker. But there's fish around, you see?
Oh yeah. It's a Laker. Pretty dark.
Mouth, isn't it? Is that a walleye?
Laker or a walleye?
I hope it's a walleye. It acts like a walleye. Dude, I think it's a walleye.
Dude, big one. Big.
No, I swear to God, dude.
It looks like a walleye. I've seen a marble eye.
Yeah. Oh, dude. Oh, that's definitely a walleye. Yeah, it's a walleye. I'm almost 100%.
Stab there with the net.
Oh, my bad. Well, I slipped on this.
Almost in the ear. Like me almost slipped and falling off the boat earlier.
Is that it, dude?
No, it's a Laker.
He's wrapped around his nose. You gotta keep reeling. Alright, man, you got it.
Get him?
Bummer.
And then she cooks some and brings it to me sometimes.
Board fish. No, it's a fish. There's a fish on there.
Oh yeah. Definitely a fish down there. dead weight right now.
I've been dragging it for a minute. Are we still next to that structure? Kinda? Yeah. Right over top of it. Coming to the surface.
I think it's a little Laker.
Wonder Bread. Oh yeah. Kick it. Put your thumb on it. Yep, there you go, swing it. Hurry. Put thumb it. Yep, get out there. Eric, do you want this thing?
Yeah, I'll take it. Heck
I don't
yeah.
know what it is.
All
I
right.
think it's a king or something. Something big, dude. Yeah.
Heck yeah, I'll take it.
Take your time. Don't hog it, brother. Don't horse it. I don't know what that is, man. Just leave this for.
Got some shoulders.
You could give it a little boot pop if you want.
No, I'm not gonna horse it.
Well, I think it's just going down.
Yeah, but I can feel the fish pull me back though.
Well, one thing about it is if it doesn't unfit, you can take out everything on the front back of our boat. Yeah.
Pop it.
It's not hard. Put your finger out.
I think it's a big fish.
Yeah, I think I see the distance. Okay, you're good. Yeah, it's popped.
Yeah, it was already popped.
Yeah, well, like, some guys will check it and they'll set the hook again, you know what I mean? It's more like a poop pop. You can almost stick it straight out and pull. Yeah. You know what I mean? That's how I do it. I just point it right at the water like a wall.
Alright.
That board. Oh, maybe not. No, it is.
Two fish on at once. Such a problem.
The bugs are hitting the water. Oh, dude.
We're good.
I don't know.
My coat hit that damn.
Let me get on the back of this fucker.
Good? Yeah, I'm good, brother.
Coat hit the damn switch.
Bugs are hitting the water and there's fish are coming up, baby. I'm hoping it's fucking same. I know he's off to the side and I don't know why. That's what we're gonna do, I guess. He's off to the side, Robbie. I really can't swing it like that.
That's okay.
I don't know what.
Oh, I see it, dude.
What is it?
I can't tell yet. I think it's a big lake trout. Yeah,
Oh my goodness.
big lake trout.
Stepped out in there.
This one's a fucking spider, dude. is that thing?
Hooked in his head.
Can't get him up, man. Here it comes.
Wow.
Hooked in the top.
That was awesome.
He was probably swiping at it. Fucking.
What's going on here, though?
I'm trying to fish it. Hey, get the steering wheel for me, bud.
Huh?
Can't leave that up there for very long. Pull it back. There you go, man.
Still got him?
Yeah.
See it. Seen it. Didn't even catch it on my elbow. That probably never will.
Big lake here.
Well, I'll tell you the best way to fish, man, to get certain effective finding silver is if fish alone. I can swing it over that way. He just has
Yeah,
to walk over here. There you go.
What, you had a trailer one on here?
Huh?
This one's got 2 spoons.
Yeah, slider. It's the slider.
Yeah, it
It's
was
the
on,
Mexican slider.
it was on the, oh yeah. Yeah, it looked like he
Trout.
drove that way till he disappeared and then came back.
I'm checking it out. I know what he did. I know what he did, dude. That's what I was gonna do. I was talking about us doing. It was going out here to this structure. There's another structure right out here. Wake up, Eric.
That's all I gotta do is keep taking naps. Seems to make them hit.
Yeah, there ain't no time to sleep right now,
Lure, fatal frog. Take the fish, put it on.
Giant lake trout.
Laker.
Bigger than I thought. Came in quick. Eric's over here hogging it.
Are you
No.
forcing it?
Nice. Good job, Robbie.
Robbie, the lake trout wrangler. Oh yeah. Yep, fatal frog. Oh shit. Go down. There he goes.
Wrong direction.
He's I knew one of his buddies took a trip down there to that engine one day. I got that fucker with John Carter. They're bogus.
Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, just like a real up there.
Beautiful Laker.
Nice.
Does it have the clicker on it or something?
That one might not.
Yeah. They all have that clicker.
Oh yeah, no, it didn't. The indicator. Yep.
No Laker.
No taker. Gonna get 9.
Yeah. I don't know, we might be there. It looks like it could get back so far.
$1.20 left. $1.20 left. He's up top.
Oh shit. What? Come up out of the water. I don't know.
Yeah, it look kind of brown.
Kind of brown? Oh, brown trout.
Literally.
What's the bread?
Yep.
Eric?
Heck yeah.
That's a fucking
I don't
pig.
know. No horses, brother. No horse in that. It was
Dude.
He's way out there on top. I just seen a splash way out there.
Yeah.
Still on there?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, yeah. He's coming fast at us.
Yeah, that might be
That's
silver.
where mine did. Mine ran right at it.
Yeah, kings like to run to the boat. Oh yeah, right on the feet.
Sorry.
Yeah, fucker.
Come on, baby. Yeah, I think it is. I think he's coming to the boat, ain't he?
Yeah, he's running. It ain't nothing.
Yeah, no lake trout ain't gonna run the boat like that.
Ain't no way.
Yeah, stay on it, because that's what
Oh
they
yeah,
do.
oh yeah.
That's their trick.
It literally is seeing it.
Yeah.
It has to. There ain't no way. Or the lake trout is big.
Okay. Hey, I'll give you some advice real quick. Take that middle rod, put it back over there while you got him doing that. Stick it out in that rod.
Oh, look at that action. He's bucking set.
Yeah. Hurry up. Put that rod over there. Stick it in the rod. That's the silver, baby. We're good to go.
Yeah, it's a king. It's a king.
Take your time. Take your time. I think you might have to grab this point.
Okay. Coming for on. Oh no. These things keep getting loosened up. Alright, back on the helm.
Alright, turn that way.
No, he's right in front of you.
Got it.
Yeah! Yeah!
Sammy, baby!
Woo!
Down here, guy. Just hit the button.
Shit, bro. Woo!
Awesome! Awesome!
Hell
Somebody's
yeah.
giving me a chunk of these fish. I need
Yeah, Eric. We're in them, dude. Here, I'll get him out of the net. Oh yeah, there you go.
Hey, on, Mr. Chrome. Show me that little,
Yeah.
Mr. Chrome. Salmon, baby.
Wow, that's awesome.
Yep. And they're both natives.
20 down.
That's awesome, guys.
Yep. I just want to.
No, the next silver we hook is yours.
King salmon, Lake Huron, ALPENA, Michigan.
Well, in the summertime when we start getting a lot, we usually just split them.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what we do.
Come on. Here's the king salmon I caught today. Beautiful fish. So I'm gonna clean this guy up. Baby. Look up. You're feeling it on too tough. Mild damage.
Okay, honey. I'm gonna walk down that path.
Okay.
And you're gonna see what a good thing you've done for me. And you're gonna see that I turned out just how you wanted me to.
I know I will be. I know I will. You gotta go there. Go. This big beautiful slab of fresh king.
No. Didn't really matter though. My real mother lived down this path. Oh, I can't believe you never told me any of this. I never asked. I never saw much point of it until now. You said something.
Life's too short.
About someone you knew. Someone was blessing him. You heard that? You need to know that everything that you have, everything that you enjoy, was built on the hard work of the people who lived here. People didn't have your opportunities. So Joyce, you know, they found a way to make it work.
Screw this setup a little bit.
So you here to start work on your book? I sure am. Oh, this is my daughter, Lydia. Lydia, this is Elizabeth. She's the daughter of Ellen and Dr.
Nice to meet you. The pleasure's all mine. What are you doing here?
Well, I thought you might need me.
I sure did love them some tea tonight.
There we go.
You did. I have
Two
something
beautiful
for you,
king fillets from Lake Huron. Fresh the day before Memorial Day. And we'll cook them up tomorrow.
Take care of yourself.
do it. I would love it if you told my dad. I'll be Christmas shopping all day. I'm going to be exhausted.
Cooked on the grill tomorrow.